Welcome back everyone to Pontus Phantom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for Tainted Grail mounted heroes. We're going to be painting Bayor, Maggot, and Ailey in the mounted form, but it's got mounted characters for all the characters of Fall of Avalon, Age of Legends, and Last Night. We'll focus on the characters that we've been playing. I want to put these on our Red Death gameplay that we've been playing. I'm going to switch them over to mounted versions. So first off, we'll get those minis out, we'll take a look at them, and then we'll get them zenithal primed and onto the table to start base coating. We've gotten these zenithal primed. I did notice though, however, that this is not the Bayor figure. This is Dagon. So I kind of painted the Dagon figure. I'll go back and paint the Bayor, zenithal prime the Bayor. But we've also got the Maggot figure, and we've got the Ailey figure on the mounted on the Buck. Yeah, so we'll put the Dagon figure back in the box. I've got the Bayor figure now ready to be painted. He's also zenithal primed. And we'll get into the base coats. We'll start out with some flesh tones, and then we'll move into the different character beast painting as well. So I've got the flesh tones on all three of these. We've also started painting the beasts. I'll go ahead and do some highlights and some details as well. I'm going ahead and doing a coat of watered down Reichland flesh shade for a wash, and then I'm going to actually re-highlight the flesh tones and kind of just try to pick up the highlights. You'll see when I do the detail flyover. Lastly, I'm going to do some details. Beor's clothing, some of the metallics with Beor and with Maggot, some of the skull pieces, and also Ailey's green hair and her green characteristic outfit there. So we'll get that all painted up, and then we'll do some hero shots and fly over them. We'll see you guys at the end of the video. That's about going to do it. I'll do a quick close-up on these minis, but I like how they came out. I want to get these on the tabletop. We'll swap these out in Red Death that we're playing, that campaign we're playing for the non-mounted figures. And we'll do a quick word from this channel's sponsor, and then I'll take you guys out with the hero shots, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Pontos Phantom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can check out the Moldenhauer Giuseppe Balsamo 6 volumes of the Catu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, also available in hardcover. We've got the 3 volumes of the Artificial Psychology of Desiring Machines, as well as our podcast series where we deep dive into things like the esoteric Saturn mysteries and the esoteric dragon mysteries. Our Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga collects reasons why Frank Herbert's Dune Saga is still resonates with us today. And finally, our newest offering, the Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands. We've got the initial volume, Aim Aimless, Aim Vicious. It takes place in Lovecraft's Cellophase. Volume 2, Hope's Home, takes place in Dalathleen. And the rest of the volumes, Beloved, Believed, Bedailed in Lost Carcosa. Stubborn Devotions of Venting and Forgiving in Thrawn. Thank you guys for watching. Now back to our show. Yeah, a quick flyover of these completed minis. Liking how these came out. I'll do some hero shots and then we'll see you at the very end. That's going to do it for this paint through. We'll be doing more Tainted Grail mounted heroes when we play Last Night and the other campaigns. Go check out our Tainted Grail gameplay. Go check out our other Tainted Grail miniature paint throughs. We'll take you out with the flyovers, and we will see you on the tabletop. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below. Like and subscribe. Helps us with the algorithm. And leave your comments below. Love to hear from you. Talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.